Hello everyone and welcome back to AW Programming and Lectures. In today's lecture we will make a program based on star patterns and we will do the pattern third. So this will be our required output in this program. So let's begin. Now let's discuss the solution. So first we'll declare the variables int I and j. Now we'll declare the for loop for I is equal to 5, I greater than 0 and I minus minus. Now we'll write two j loops. We'll use two j loops. One will be used for printing and the other will printing spaces and the other will be used for printing the star. So similarly what we can do is we'll write j minus minus, and similarly we'll write here printf, and then just simply write space over in between. And now we'll move to the next j loop. Now we'll write for j is equal to 0 and to j less than equal to uh, make it less than I, and then increment j. And now we can just print over here our star, and now our program should work fine. Just we need to enter this /n for moving to the next line. Now let's run it and check our code. As you can see, we got the required output. So thank you everyone.